Well, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, this is a little bit different scenery than normal, and yes, I have a goofy hat on because I am going to be doing a walk across the UK, and I'm going to document some of it, may not document all of it. We're going to call this day zero, mainly because I am a programmer and zero does exist, and my brother actually playing the rest of this, and he started with day one. But I'm going to tour around St. Bees a little bit, but I am starting up here on the railroad, mainly because as an American, we always think, well, we probably need a car or an Uber, but I got here all the way from by railroad, and St. Bees is quite a bit up the UK. There is no airport around, so check out the train system. It is a little bit trickier than I think some of Europe's train systems, but it's very doable, and it was very enjoyable. There are several inns and pubs up through here. I had dinner at the Manor Inn last night. It was insanely good. It was insanely a lot of food, but I got experience of Sunday braised beef. Now, one thing I am going to 100% geek out on this trip is the architecture, because I do love old architecture, and being from the US, old architecture is like from the 1800s, whereas here, old architecture can easily be 1,000 years old. So here is the school in St. Bees, and it was founded, I think it said, in the 1500s. I can't get in it. I will be able to go into the Priory Church, and it was built around 1120, which is mind-blowing to me. My cell phone camera does not give this church justice. This is just a work of beauty. I don't want to walk over there because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to, but these gravestones through here are taller than me. There isn't a good place to get a real good perspective of just how magnificent this church is, but as an architectural geek, this is amazing. Apparently there is a golf course here, although if you look out in the distance, there are sheep on it. So I'm not a fan of golf, so it wouldn't offend me, but if you like golf, don't hit the sheep. This is St. Bees Beach. It's a little bit cold for my taste, but there were people swimming in it yesterday. And let's head up this way and see what we see. And absolutely amazing views all the way around. This is an amazing place to start out. And this is the beginning of the coast to coast walk from St. Bees to Robin Hood's Bay. And this is where I will be for the next few weeks. So click that subscribe button so you can follow me along. See where you find TW. Don't worry, I will remove that when I leave, and I will share some things at least that I learned on this 192-mile journey.